Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you legitimate ways to get more lives in Vita Mahjong. So first, open the game and check your lives or energy section. Many mobile games restore lives automatically over time, so check the countdown to see when your next life becomes available. You should also check the game's daily rewards or bonus section. Some versions may offer extra lives for completing certain tasks or participating in events. And if the game allows you to watch an optional advertisement for an extra life, then you may also see that option in the Lives menu. Another thing to check is whether the game offers temporary bonuses during special events. Keep in mind that there isn't necessarily a legitimate setting that gives you unlimited lives permanently. Instead, use the features that are officially available inside the game. So that was how to maximize your available lives in Vita Mahjong without using risky hacks. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.